and welcome back to the channel. In this video, we are looking at top 6 ways in which you can use ChatGPT for content creation. If you are a content creator and you have been wondering, what can I do to use ChatGPT to improve my content creation? This video is for you. Hang on and let's get right into it. ChatGPT generally is changing all sectors in the world right now. It is changing sectors from research, and content creation is not an exception. So knowing how to use ChatGPT for content creation would greatly improve your productivity and put you ahead of many. So in this video, I'm going to be sharing with you top 6 ways in which ChatGPT can help improve your content creation. If you have attempted to use ChatGPT for content creation, give me a 1 in the chat. If you have any issues around ChatGPT and you want more, please let's get the conversation going. Write your comment, ask your questions in the chat, and let's take and explore ChatGPT to improve our productivity and to take our businesses to the next level. If you are new to this channel, this is for you. Subscribe, enable notifications so that when we create other amazing content that will change your life, change your business, take your career to the next level, you would be number 1 to know. So today, let's get into the top 6 ways in which ChatGPT can improve your marketing, specifically focus on content creation. Number 1, article writing and blog. Gone are the days where you spend so much time, so much resources, so much effort in writing articles and blogs. ChatGPT can now be deployed and used to generate articles on a wide range of topics. I am already using this and my experience is amazing. I used to write an average of 2 articles for my blog a day. Today it's up to 6 and up, and we are unstoppable on this. You use ChatGPT, it gives you the ideas quickly, it generates certain aspects of the article quickly, and you quickly customize and use it and deploy it right away on your website. So it is taking your article and blog writing to the next level. I have explored this on my blogs. It is taking from an average of 2 articles written per day to over 6, and we are going to 10 in the coming weeks, using ChatGPT. Script writing. So if you are a playwright and you want to write your scripts, and gone are the days where you have to invest so much resources, so much time in script writing. ChatGPT is here to introduce you to a new era of script writing. It can be used to generate your script ideas, even write full scripts for your TV shows, your plays. Just pause and think about it. This is mind-blowing and changing the script writing sector for life. It is quite revolutionary, put it that way. And the next way, the third way in which ChatGPT can help you create content is poetry and fiction. Think about this. You don't need to be an Einstein. You don't need to be a genius these days to be able to deploy excellent poetry, excellent fiction. ChatGPT can now help you reducing the amount of time, reducing the amount of resources that you need to generate poetry, fiction ideas. It can actually be used to generate full fiction, fictional stories, and allowing you more time, more resources to focus on your core business. Focus on your core business. Another way in which you can use ChatGPT for content creation is actually product description. It can be used to generate product description for e-commerce websites. It can be used to generate product descriptions for other kinds of business, even your brick and mortar business. And what does it do? It allows you more time, more resources, and this is really really transformational. This is transformational. Let's look at the fifth way in which ChatGPT can actually change your business. If this has been interesting to you so far, hit like, share this video. There is more that we are organizing seminars and others and showing you real time the ways in which we are deploying ChatGPT and how it is actually changing our business and how this can be useful to you. So like, share these videos, and let's carry these conversations to the next level. Number 5 way in which you can use ChatGPT for content creation is actually social media content. Pause and think about it. You are thinking, you are iterating, whether it's hashtags, whether you're looking at captions, post generations for social media and others, and it takes you quite a lot of time, or you pay people to work with you on this. This has been made easier with ChatGPT. It can generate hashtag ideas, post topic ideas. The beauty with ChatGPT is that you can actually iterate these things. You can do it over and over and get better versions of what you are actually doing, what you are looking for, and saving you time, saving you money. Finally, number 6 way in which you can use ChatGPT for your content creation is news generation. You can deploy ChatGPT to generate news articles, summarize headlines, providing you a quick and easy way to generate news and cover a wide variety of topics. I am actually using this. We own a lot of news websites. You can check the links in the description. We own Sunburst Market, SB Crypto Guru News, and various news websites. And we are using ChatGPT on many of our websites to be able to generate news articles quickly, efficiently, saving time, saving money. If this article has been useful to you, let us know. Get the conversation going. Check the links in the description for more resources, more content, more videos on how you can actually use ChatGPT to take your business to the next level. As usual, it's always a pleasure to have you on the channel. Thank you for joining us, and I'll see you in the next video.